Hi dear viewers and victorious creators of my channel. Today I have the 10th haul video for you, and this is from 5 to 6 different stores, starting from Michaels, from Joann's Fabric, Dollar Store, TJ Maxx, and Dollar Tree, even bargain store. These beads purchased from Michael's store at the clearance section, and I paid only $3.50 for this, and this is perfect for the party that I'm going to attend soon. Next one is pearlized braids. I purchased thinking that I'm buying beads, but at the end it turned out it is pearlized braid. You can attach this on any surface, on paper, on different fabric, plastic. You can just hook your material and attach it. These are for making decorative flowers. You may use them even for scrapbooking, but I'm going to use this for decoration of my purses. The next 4 items from the bargain store, these 2 items, they are called decorative display easel, but I'm using it for different purposes. They have kind of antique gold because it's kind of nice color mixed with black to make it look antique. I started using that one, and this one I didn't open yet. And I found these 2 great recipe books with pictures, mini treats and mini sweets. I paid only $1 for each one. These are perfect books. So glad that I found these books before the fall season, because when the weather is cold I love to stay home, bake and cook, but when it's hot everybody likes going out, having fun, eating ice cream, and never worry about standing next to the gas stove. Lots of recipes with different great pictures. The pictures themselves worth more than $10, I guess. This one is by Sarah Lewis, and this one is by some Indian writer. I purchased this from Joann's Fabric from clearance for $2.50. This is a perfect thing for summer necklace. But this looks like coral, and I can even color it with nail polish and that will look different. It will remind me of summer. I can even use this to decorate my purses. Well, this is one of my favorite items. Let's continue with these great beads, the bracelets that were purchased from 99-cent store, and these are my favorite colors. My most favorite is this one. It's like grayish, closer to brownish, something like that mixture. And I was thinking of making a Peter Pan statement necklace, though the fashion is going fast, but I don't care. Whatever I like, I can wear it even if the fashion is gone 10 years ago. Self-stick bumpers, 99 cents. It's a 25 count. This I will use for items used on daily basis on the furniture. Let's say some pencil boxes. Just because I was planning to videotape this haul for a long time, my chocolate spoons almost melted. Stayed on my table forever, so they changed their color, but some of them are milk chocolate, some of them are dark chocolate. So I have a set of 6 chocolate spoons, and this I'm planning to use during my Halloween, and if anything is left I'll just use it for my morning coffee to entertain my neighbor. Double-headed melon bowler. I paid 99 cents for. It's stainless steel and it has 2 ends, and I will use this for different food decorations, preparing for tablescapes. This item, it's a tie-dye silky cord, which I'm planning of using to make some soutache. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, or maybe soutache or soutich. It's a French word. Anyways, I will use this for making some DIY earrings or a brooch Not sure yet. The next item is this Miss Moore bobby pin collection. of 10 different colors. And the last item from the bargain store is this. It's a cuticle oil by, it says Clean Color. Clean is spelled through K-L-E-A-N and color is C-O-L-O-R. It smells like a perfect citrus. It's like you put lemon or some other type of citrus on your cuticles. It smelled so great during the whole night. I was imagining that I'm sitting next to a lemon tree. Let's continue with two of TJ Maxx items that I bought to be used during the fall and winter seasons, because these are my favorite. Herbal organic. One has mint in it and this one has tea tree oil. By the way, no aluminum, no irritating, no artificial colors. Smells really like refreshing. Such a nice organic scent. Smells herbally. By the way, it's by Mill Creek Botanicals and it's herbal deodorant. I bought it for $3.99 from TJ Maxx, and this one I bought for $2.99. And this is natural toothpaste and it has peppermint in it. It is sulfate free, fluoride free, promotes healthy teeth and gums. These two are my favorite items. And now items from Dollar Tree. Well, this is pressed powder Color Mates and it is my favorite color. It's rose beige and it's paraben free. I love this and I'm going to use it pretty soon because I'm finishing my previous color from CoverGirl, which has also similar matte type of powder. Of course, everybody is familiar with this basket because Do It on a Dime was showing it in her videos, and lots of other YouTubers who love organizing and DIYs, they always show these baskets from Dollar Tree, and I purchased two of them, two of this nice ultra green color for my kitchen. And the last two items that I just loved buying were these lamps, and these are solar table lamps. You just place it under the sun for a couple of hours, and then if it doesn't collect dust it starts giving light. If you turn it on from here, it starts giving light, but now it doesn't because I have no idea why. Oh yeah, because it wasn't under the sun. And when I saw the pink, I thought about the Valentine's Day and I purchased two of them. I will power them under the sun and then I will use for my Valentine of this 2016. This was all I wanted to present to you, and hope you liked my today's haul video. Please comment, put your thumbs up in case you like it, and also subscribe. Okay, see you in my next videos. Stay well. Bye bye.